that shit. You'll see Sam's face like this.
Is it gonna be easy for him to unhook it?
Yeah, kind of.
Pair of scissors.
Yeah, I just said cut it as close to the drone as.
No, I mean all he's got to do is really pull on the one side, but.
I think you should just be able to pull on the string.
You guys got me shaking like a fucking leaf, bro.
Scissors, that might be easier for you. It actually is pretty steady. Yeah, it's not walking.
Well, it's got a gimbal on it.
You're going to that one right there.
No, he's in his dad's now.
Hey, get out of the way of the radio.
You can't stand right in front of me, sorry.
Black one?
Yeah, in the corner. Everybody's like, yeah.
So, he's in that top story there.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Landing?
No.
What the fuck you mean landing? Don't be doing that shit. Step that way. You only have a couple feet.
No, it doesn't want to go down because it's lower elevation right there.
What?
No, it senses the freaking pizza is what it's doing.
Oh, yeah, that's what it is.
It's freaking. Oh, yeah. I bet
it's trying to go up.
Shit.
It's going up.
It won't go down because of the
Oh,
pizza.
shit.
Oh, no.
No!
It's going up. It was going up. Oh, it's going down now.
No, that's alright, alright.
I can see it over there.
If you hit landing, doesn't it just go straight down?
It senses that something's down there. God damn it.
Oh, no.
Is there a bypass?
I'm gonna have to land it. But I can't land it right there. Oh, fuck. Now you guys got me fucked
start
up.
your landing and then stop landing when it gets low enough that you can fly up to him.
Oh, fucking direct.
Downward infrared sensor failure.
Hey, don't stand in front of me, bro.
Yeah.
Gotta have line of sight.
Tell him I'm gonna land it on the concrete right
We're
there.
gonna land it on that concrete. We might have to.
I'm gonna have to
This is
land
an
it on the
emergency
concrete.
That
landing,
might be
sir.
perfect right there.
Yeah, you might be able to get him right there. He's standing right there.
Yeah.
Dude.
Tell him to let it land right in his
It's
palm.
coming to him.
Yeah, right to him. Right
In
to
your
him.
palm.
Catch it. Tell him to catch it.
If you can catch it.
Hopefully that's great.
Hell yeah! Let's go!
Enjoy your slice of pizza.
Accomplished!
You guys got me shaking like a motherfucker.
Now you know what to do, so next year you won't be so scared.
Yeah.
At least you know.
Now I need
you're
to
good
see
go.
what the load
Maybe
capacity
no
of mine
Ziploc
is.
bag next time.
It's like landing.
Alright.
You're
Yeah,
like,
I know, that was
Maybe
scared.
a longer string.
Yeah,
just
just
so it
make-
doesn't know it's not fucking
Yeah.
down there.